How to recover a deleted TikTok account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to only show you how you could actually very easily recover your deleted account on TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So maybe you might have actually tried to delete your account before. As soon as you deleted it, you actually thought of retrieving your account back again, and you are not being able to figure out a way on how you can do that. If that is the case, then we are going to simply learn how we can do that. First of all, simply make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version. You can head over to your device's app store, in the search box type in TikTok, and go ahead and simply update the TikTok app so that you don't face any type of issues or bugs during the recovery process. Once you've updated TikTok, I'm going to open it and make sure that you are on the fresh version of TikTok. You can see it is asking me to basically log in right over here. Now, after you've actually deleted TikTok, and if you want to actually recover your deleted account, what you have to do is to simply actually tap on the login button and then try to log into the account which you deleted. Now, you bear in mind that if it has actually been over 30 days after the deletion of your account, you will no longer actually be able to recover it. But let's say that you actually deleted your account just recently, just maybe a 1 or 2 to 3 weeks ago, then if that is the case, then you will actually be able to recover it. But if it has passed that 30 days period of time, your account would have been permanently deleted, as TikTok said it before during the process of a deletion. What you have to do is simply select the account which you want to log in. Go ahead and enter your email and password like you usually would do when you were actually trying to recover your account. So I'm going to go ahead and simply select my account right over here. I'm going to see what this says me. So basically, if it asks me for a confirmation, you can see there, right, it says reactivated TikTok account. Now basically I'm saying this because I actually deleted my TikTok account, and before you delete it, you would actually have to deactivate it for the 30 days, and after 30 days you would have to actually permanently delete your account. So if you're under that 30 days period of time, you could go ahead and simply tap on the reactivate button in order to recover your deleted account on TikTok. This was the way on how you could very easily recover deleted account on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.